Hello everyone. This is our submission to All in Hackathon. Our team is codecrew, and we developed this voice sync web application. We use it TinyMCE as the main feature, and we have implemented voice input feature where people can just talk to the editor, and the editor is going to input whatever you say and however you like. You can say some sort of instructions like making one paragraph bold and the other paragraph italicized, or as you can ask it to create sample paragraphs. Let me try to show its features. So currently the mic is off. I'll turn it on. Hello, can you type hello world 10 times? So they take some time to respond. Let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, we have hello world 10 times. Now I'll ask it to make half of it bold and the other half italicized. Awesome. Could you make one half bold and the other half italicized, please? So right now, it's going to process our input, our prompt, and the editor content, and it's going to modify the content inside the editor. As you can see, half of the content is bold, already italicized. I can ask it to generate a sample paragraph on planes. Let me try that. Hello, could you generate a sample 100-word paragraph on planes, please? So it received our prompt, and it's going to generate a sample paragraph. Oops. I guess there was some mistake. Hello, can you create a sample paragraph? Oh, it's already there. Okay, cool. So planes, those are aeronautical feats of engineering. So we have the paragraph, right? Now we have other functionalities like saving and deleting and loading the notes. So if I ask the editor to save the note, it's going to save it. Awesome. Could you please save this note? So I asked it to save, and it's going to save, and we use it the sockets to update the front end. So it's going to update in real time. As you can see, we have our node ID 5, and this node is already here. If I want to load, for instance, the previous node, I can just talk to it. Could you load the node with ID 4, please? So I asked it to load the node, and it's going to load this penguins are fascinating, flightless birds, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, there you go. Penguins are fascinating, flightless birds, blah, blah, blah. And you can delete the node as well. Awesome. Could you delete the node with ID 2, please? So it's going to delete the node with ID 2, and it's going to update the saved nodes. Let's see. So there you go. So we don't have the node 2 anymore. To implement this application, we have used several tools. Some of them are listed here. So to save the nodes, we used MongoDB, and very simple MongoDB schema for nodes. And in the process, we had some people working on the front end, some people working on the back end, people with UI and UX, and there were also other team members working on the project submission, and everyone was very involved. We use MongoDB for the database. It's just plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript on the front end, and the back end is Node.js. To detect the voice, we use voice activation detector. It doesn't just detect any video. It just detects voice, human speech anyway. And to turn the audio, our speech, into the format we want, we transcribed it using Whisper API, and we use ChatGPT to actually implement the changes. We have three functions: adding, deleting, and opening or loading nodes. So you can actually add, delete, and open the node using your voice. And lastly, to implement real-time nodes updates, we use socket.io, to make the connection between front end and back end very smooth. So this was VoiceSync. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for your attention.